Components of the TUPE 2D window. TUPE 2D software user interface UI has different components and every component has a specific purpose. Own set of controls and tools that can be used for creating animation. Let us have a look at the components of the TUPE 2D interface. Toolbar, left sidebar, toolbox, menu bar, workspace, paint area actions toolbar, right sidebar, exposure sheet, expanded panels. Menu bar. It contains the various menus like File, Edit, Import, Window, Modules, and Help. Toolbar. The toolbar contains many shortcut buttons which help us to perform the commands related to projects like New Project, Open Project, Save Project as, and closing the current project. Toolbox. It contains various tools which help us to draw, paint, fill, color, and import and export images. We will learn more about the tools in the next chapter. Workspace. It is the main working area where we create, design, and create animations. It is also called Paint Area. Paint Area Actions Toolbar. This toolbar has commands to perform various actions while drawing on the workspace such as undo, redo, copy, paste, delete, etc. Modules tab. The Modules tab contains the tabs required to create animations, view the animation and get updates related to the software. The Modules tab contains the 3 tabs. Animation module. This module contains the area where you can draw each frame of your animation project. It contains various tools and onion skin support to embed in the project. Player module. This module helps us to preview the animation that we have created while designing. News module. This module displays all the latest news about the project. It also informs you when a new version of TUPE 2D has been released. Left sidebar. This component has 3 expandable panels that are related to animation module. Color palette. This panel contains the options to manage colors. Using this palette, you can set the color of the brush, fill color in the objects, and set color of the pen, pencil, or for all the drawing tools including the background of the workspace. Pen properties. This panel contains all the settings related to the pen tool. It helps to change the size and texture of the stroke. You can also define the path of the pen. Library. This panel contains the library of all the visual or audio objects of your animation projects. It also helps us to import external items like images, JPEG, PNG, GIF, and SVG files directly to the workspace. Right sidebar. This component contains 2 expandable panels related to the animation process which focuses on frames and scenes. Scenes Manager. This panel allows you to handle various scenes of your project. We can perform the operations like create, remove, and rename scenes under this option. Exposure Sheet. This panel contains the set of frames for each scene of your project. From this panel, you can handle the frames and layers that compose your scenes. Exposure Sheet. This component contains the timeline panel. It is a standard tool to manage layers and frames. It helps in adding, editing, and removing the frames and layers from all your scenes in the animation project. Expanded panel. Whenever we create a new project, then by default, Exposure Sheet panel is expanded. This option contains buttons to add, remove layers, frames, and scenes in the project.